Hey, this is Brother Barnes, and in this Movie Maker editing video, I'm going to show you how to add in-screen text. I just did a quickie video on trimming. So I have a cat video. Let's take a look at it first.
Hey, kitty. I don't really know if I have very much protection for you. But
And let's say that I wanted to put some in-screen text once the kitty cat gets over near me. So here's how we would do it. We would click More Tools. Let's do a text overlay. And let's move this marker until the cat gets over to where I am located. And right here is where we're going to add in-screen text. So notice that it says enter text here. Actually, it's right over here. All right, this is how to enter in screen text. Let's just keep it simple. My students have reminded me that they cannot see this light colored text. So what I always do is I pick this golden color and then I automatically also bold it, and then oftentimes I will enlarge it. And remember that if there are closed captions, they'll be at the bottom, so I will oftentimes move this to an empty spot on the screen. Also remember that a lot of your viewers will be on handheld, so it should not be a small correction or an in-screen text. It should be very easily viewable. So that looks pretty good to me. Now the next thing might be, how long do I want this to last? Well, if I go down here onto this toolbar and I move it back, then that will determine how long this video or this in-screen text will last. So let's just say that I wanted it to last until the cat started moving around. So let's hit OK, and let's check it once again and see how this looks.
Hey, kitty. I don't really know if I have very much protection for you. But Mockingbird was kind of done with you, wasn't it? Ooh, there it comes.
All right, very good. That is how to add in-screen text into a video. This is Windows Movie Maker, and it is super easy to use.